Make a magic circle. You can also view detailed video for magic circle in my channel. Make 3 triple treble crochet. You can check detailed video for triple crochet in my channel. Make for double crochet. Make 1 triple treble crochet. Again, make for double crochet. You can check detailed video for double crochet in my channel. Make 3 triple treble crochet. Chain 2, insert yarn and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the thread and secure it. Adjust the inner circle to make a heart. Quick method to tie the thread without wool tapestry needle. Cut the extra yarn.